Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to DeHaven Family Farm. Quick short video here on an upcoming project. As you can see, got the Ram 3500 there, and strapped to the back is one of those pickup truck dump inserts. I've been looking for one, found one on Marketplace. It is used, and we'll take a closer look at it in a few minutes. But my plan here is to be able to have this truck either be a flatbed or a small dump truck. So I would like to figure out a way that that dump insert can come on and off in under 10 minutes. I plan to have the wiring connections. I'm going to put plugs so that I can just quick unplug the wires that go to power the dump, and hopefully just 4 bolts that'll come out quick and easy, and then just lift it off with the skid steer. So that's kind of the plan, so that I can have multiple uses for this truck. So just to clarify, because I know there may be some questions, why not just put a lift kit underneath the flatbed? And there's a couple reasons for that. The first one is that the flatbed is not a super heavy duty flatbed. So let's see if we can take a look underneath here. You can see that support and that support for the bed are about 2 feet apart. That's kind of further apart than I would like to see to have this thing being dumped up in the air. A lot of them I see would have an additional support sort of in between. So I don't think, obviously the structure of this flatbed was not really designed to dump. It was designed to be stationary. So I don't know how it would hold up. So that's kind of one concern. And my other concern here is that this back aluminum, it's not really a bumper, but this area here with all the lights and license plate and everything, that would have to come off. And it's welded on there, so yes, it could be done, but it's kind of a project, so I'd rather not get into it. And it looks nice. I'd kind of just like to leave it alone. So I did explore that option already, but I felt that this was going to be easier. So this is obviously used. You can see there's surface rust on it here. Maybe we can go around the other side where the sun is up, and you can see maybe here a little bit. And this side's not too bad. There's some spots here. It's all surface rust. There's no big dents in the box. There's no big holes in the box, anything like that. So it's an 8-footer, and it did come with the optional cab protector, and there is a tarp up there. I think the tarp is in pretty good shape. He said there was a few minor holes. I don't know, we'll see. Getting a new tarp is pretty cheap. I do like to tarp things because DOT sits around here and they will give you a hard time for that. Also, I don't know if you can see there in the top, he had some wooden sides to extend the height here. He included those too. I paid less than $1,000 for this. The cylinder was rebuilt on it. So overall, I'm real happy with it. The ones that I've seen, I got this off Facebook Marketplace. The ones that I've seen on there are usually around $1,500 used without the cab protector and the tarp. So for less than $1,000, I'm happy with it. Again, no big damage. My plan is, anybody who knows me knows that I'm a little bit finicky about how things look. And so my plan anyway was to repaint it. So I'm going to clean up all the rust and anything that's on it, loose paint, over the winter time. This will be a wintertime project. And I'm actually going to paint it either a silver or an aluminum color, so that when it's sitting on the back of the box there, it almost looks like it'll be part of the truck. I think it'll look real nice. And it really needs to be painted up a little bit anyway, just to keep it from rusting any further. So that's sort of the plan. Stay tuned for upcoming videos on how I accomplish this, and I'll show you a little bit of the painting in the future. Again, nobody really needs to see me paint, but I'll just kind of show you how I clean things up and whatnot, and how we get the box hooked up. so that it comes off nice and easy. But yep, that's the latest acquisition here. My plan is to be able to do some delivering, firewood we're going to do this winter for sale, and then next year get back into mulch, topsoil, gravel sales. And this will be nice for the small deliveries. We had a store open a few years ago and got too busy, so we closed it, and had planned on opening it this year, and then everything went to crap, and we didn't. So we plan on trying to reopen the store next year again. Compost, we sell compost. And I do have a big dump trailer, but it's a big 14-footer, and there's a lot of people that will order just a couple yards of mulch, and I don't want to be dragging around this big heavy 14-foot dump trailer trying to back it in these tight, ridiculous places for a bucket or a yard or two of mulch. So that's another reason that this will kind of come in handy. So anyway, stay tuned for some upcoming videos on this little project here, what we got going on. Like I said, it'll be a little bit closer into winter time that we get working on it, but just wanted to let you guys know, be something kind of neat coming up here. So anyway, questions, comments down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the thumbs up on the way out the door, please. I hope this video turned out well, because my other phone broke and I had to get a new one. So yeah, I stuck with Samsung. This is not the newest model. I don't care about having the newest model of a phone. I usually try and get one of the older ones that they have there. But anyway, so I hope this video turns out. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. I will make sure I change the settings next time. So anyway, catch you guys on the next video.